Here's today's look. It looks gorgeous, so let's get started with the tutorial. Make sure you've done your skincare before starting. Here I'm just gonna brush my brows and then fill in. Then I'm gonna apply some concealer and blend it in. I'm gonna do my eye makeup before doing my base, but if you wanna do your base first, then you can go ahead. Then I'm gonna use this light orange shade as the base color of my eye makeup. And once I'm done, I'm gonna use this dark brown shade for the crease. Then I'm gonna do the same thing on the other eye. Then I'm gonna use this orange shade for my middle and inner eyelid. And then I'm gonna use the shade on my inner corners. And at last I'm gonna use the shimmery shade. Now for the concealer, don't apply it too close to the wing or you might have problem blending in. I'm just gonna use my beauty blender and blend everything in. I'm gonna apply some foundation and blend it in. I'm also gonna apply some concealer in between my eyebrows and blend it in. You can use brush or beauty blender, whatever you're comfortable with. Then I'm gonna use the same brown shade that I used for my crease and outer eyelid and apply it on my lower lash line. Then I'm gonna use a lighter brown shade for my inner lower lash line. For blush, I'm going with a orangish shade instead of a pink one. And also I did apply a little too much of blush, but make sure you don't do that. Then I'm gonna contour my nose using a fluffy brush. And then use a compact powder. For the lips, I'm gonna use a lip balm first and then matte it with some loose powder because I really don't like the glossy lips look. But if that is what you like, then you do you. Now I'm gonna use a light brown shade and then mix it with some red. And I'm just gonna go ahead and blend it in. And again I'm gonna use some loose powder for the matte finish. Here's the final look, and here are some more makeup related videos that you might be interested in. I have a whole playlist on this, so you can go check it out. See ya in the next video. Until next time.